Welcome back to Ben's Garage. We've got a box here. Well, I'm going to unbox it. It's not that exciting for a lot of you viewers that come here for Range Rover content, but there are quite a few of you Panda lovers out there. You're in the same team as Tina, who loves the Panda. So I did mention in one of the previous videos, like on the Audi, I think, that someone or something has got a big Christmas present coming. Well, two things really. It's a Christmas present for Tina, but it's also a Christmas present for the Panda. Now, as you've seen in previous videos, we've done all the engine, we've got the engine running. All we've got left to do on that is I've got a new cam belt, timing belt cover to bolt on, because the old one's all broken and falling off, and oil and filter to change, and basically the engine side of it is all done. But it doesn't half clonk about when you're driving it around the field and that. So I said to Tina, let's just, once the Audi's out the garage, get the Panda in, jacked up on axle stands, strip it down, and we'll go through it. So I have to my side here a box of parts. Now this is box 1 of 2. The second one hasn't turned up yet. But a suspension piece. That's part of the suspension leg with a brand new bottom ball joint. So basically your hub bolts on there and your shock absorbers go on there. Oh. What is it? Now in the invoice thing, they sent a load of stickers out, which was very nice of them. I'm going to mention this company in the videos. I'll mention them in this video and the videos where we fit the parts as well. How do you pronounce it? Ricambio? Ricambio? How would you say that in Italian? Ricambio! Ricambio! I'll put a link in the description below. They're Italian car specialists, basically. So they do parts for all Italian cars. And they've got a really good selection of Fiat stuff. Now, in the... they sent us a load of stickers. Because I did say, would you mind if I mention you? Because I've had really good service with them. They've answered my emails straight away. No messing about. No, some of these companies, you send them emails and you don't hear back for weeks. I sent them an email asking questions and they fire straight back. Because I was trying to get some rear leaf springs, and that's the one thing for the car that they don't have. He said they're trying to find a supplier for next year, but anyway, I've sourced the leaf springs elsewhere, but everything else. And they sent out, I think there's some chocolates, hazelnut, so I'll have to let Tina have them. Oh, what we got here? There's quite a lot of stuff coming. It was quite a large bill, but a lot of these things are only going to be doing once. Lower arms, 2 of. Plenty of bubble wrap. Top suspension mounts. There should be 2 of those. Another ball joint housing thing, jobby. Oh. Pair of coil springs. What's the box that keeps on giving? Some shock absorber gaiters. Don't know what these are going to be. Can't get in. There's all sorts of bits and pieces. Oh, the rear brake shoe fitting kit. 2 brand new front flexible brake hoses. Rear shackles for the leaf springs when they get here. Shackles with the bushes. I think on the Panda they cut the leaf springs. I've ordered them. I like to get them from eBay. They're coming direct from Italy. I think the front has got the bush already fitted to the leaf spring, but the back it's empty. So I've got some new shackles and bushes. I think they're the handbrake levers that go in inside the drum. No idea what these are. Ah, rear wheel cylinders. Oh, we're going to town on it. Yeah, brand new wheel cylinders. Looks like a Christmas card. I'll open that in a minute. A set of rear brake shoes. A set of front brake pads. And a pair of Brembo brake discs. So that should keep us quiet for a little bit. So I have got some more parts coming as well. Oh, what have we got? So we've got the front shock absorbers, shocks, disc pads, lower arms, ball joints, springs, these things. Oh, some bearings for that go between that part and the top shock. There's like a little bearing that sits in there. Yeah, basically there's another box of bits coming, but they've not got here yet. And I'll tell you the reason that we've ordered all this lot. Tina's got a bank account in the UK with a little bit of money in it, and we still don't really know what's happening with the B word, Brexit. So I don't suppose there's going to be any problems with getting your money and stuff from the UK after Brexit, but the money's sitting there doing nothing. We're not getting any interest on it. So I said to Tina, why don't we once and for all just order all these parts and we'll get the Panda right as rain. So we've got another box of bits coming, and but I will just open this and see what it is. It's probably a Christmas card. Huh. Look at that, a little, I'm assuming that's a Fiat 500. So this sort of thing is why we like dealing with companies like this. Thank you for your business from all at Ricambio. From Frank O'Connor, Michelle and Buddy the dog. They've even signed for the dog. Now Tina does that with Ludo and Kira. That is what makes a good company. Is it, you know. So I say, I will put a link to their website in the description. And future Panda videos that I'm using their parts for, I will give them a shout out, because, as I say, they're a fantastic company to work with. So for all your Fiat needs and postage, I mean, it might sound expensive, but it's over 30 kilos worth of stuff being shipped to France, and that was £40-something, which I don't think a lot of these massive companies can do it cheaper, but it's obviously a small little company that can sign a Christmas card. They're not just printing them off and chucking them in the thing. So thanks for I think they're chocolates. Thanks for the card. Thanks for the stickers. I think Tina's already bagged those. She's going to stick them on the Panda. I did say I'll stick some up in the garage when we get the garage finished. I'll have my workbench, or I'll stick the thing on the toolbox, and people will be able to see where we get our parts from, because we're planning to keep the Panda for a long time and keep it on the road. And if you can find a good supplier for parts and reasonable postage, I don't know what's going to happen with Brexit, whether things like that are going to get shipped from the UK into mainland Europe are going to get hit with ridiculous taxes, import fees, and this, that, and the other. We'll have to wait and see what happens, because I don't mind supporting companies like this. So that's it for this video. This is the Pandas having a Christmas present. Box of bits, that should keep me quiet. We've got to get the Audi fixed first, but I was filming this morning, so we're still working on the Audi, but we know what's wrong with that now. But this is little Panda special. Keep all you Panda boys quiet. And yeah, if you've never heard of this company before, go and check them out. Very reasonable, very helpful. And that's about it for this video. So give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And from me and the Hobbit, who's indoors, still making pasta. That's good theme, isn't it? Italian. Fiat car parts. Tina's making pasta. Excellent. Anyway, from me and the Hobbit, it's bye for now.